Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Throwlight. In this video, let's discuss top DevOps tools to know in 2022. DevOps is an approach to software development that incorporates IT operations. It enables businesses to deliver new software and update users as quickly as feasible by automating the process. DevOps tools have been in great demand for the previous several years due to the rapid adoption of DevOps principles. According to IDC, the DevOps software tool market grew significantly in 2020 and 2021 and will continue to rise in 2022. So, let's discuss some of the list of DevOps tools you will need to know in 2022. First one is Kubernetes. Google created Kubernetes, a container orchestration platform. This open source solution works with containers on a wide scale and aims to push containerization forward. It aids in the organization of containerized apps into logical paths of easy discovery, management, scaling, and deployment automation. Let's see some of the key features of Kubernetes. It runs on a variety of hybrids on-premises and public cloud hosting services. You will be able to scale without having to expand your operations personnel. It can scale up web servers in response to software app demand. Developers can use it to raise mobile and web apps to the highest levels of online demand. It degrades online server instances during downtimes. It works flawlessly with Docker and based on master-slave principle. Next one is Docker. Docker is a lightweight DevOps technology that helps ease and speed up multiple operations in your SDLC with a combined methodology. A Docker container image is a standalone package that contains everything you need to run on your application. You can use your Docker engine to access containers, runs app in a remote environment. Let's understand some of the key features of Docker. Docker app can be used to manage, execute and bundle deployed apps. Docker Hub allows you to browse many images from reputable publishers and the Docker community. Docker aids developers in the creation, testing and collaboration of software. It includes a container runtime that is compatible with various Windows and Linux server operating systems. For several apps, there is a defined packing format. Next one is Ansible. This tool is designed to help with automation and cooperation. It aids in the integration and automation of testing, development, performance management, and deployment, and it increases productivity. IT procedures and the entire app lifecycle may be automated with Ansible. Ansible includes many modules that make it easier to use various apps. It is capable of avoiding complications at all stages. Let's see some of the key features of Ansible. It reduces the risk of IT infrastructure failure due to lack of knowledge. It was designed to be authentic, easy, and stable for configuration handling. It aids in the management of systems and the avoidance of complication. It aids in the building of multi-tied apps. And the next one is Jenkins. Jenkins is a continuous integration server tool used to automate and execute various tasks. The software is installed on the main server where software development takes place. Jenkins Automation Engine, which is one of the open source dominating automation servers, which helps the DevOps teams effortlessly access and integrate project updates and quickly discover difficulties. Let's see some of the key features of Jenkins. Jenkins may be quickly set up and configured using a web interface. It is a most straightforward tool for getting started with DevOps. It contains ready-to-run Java-based programs for Windows, Mac and other Unix operating systems. It creates a script for combining many workflows into a single pipeline. In this, constant integration and delivery are included. Several interfaces are available including a REST API, a web-based GUI, and a command line interface. And the last one is Git. Git is one of the most popular tools for open source contributors and remote teams. It also one of the most well-known and commonly utilized DevOps tools. It is a distributed source code management solution that allows developers to follow the progress of apps development by keeping track of different source code versions. If necessary, developers can revert to an older version. Bitbucket and GitHub are two famous Git repository hosting services at the moment. Let's see some of the key features of Git. It allows for distributed development. Workflow for branches is included. It allows for a faster release cycle. It is a DevOps tool that is open source and free. If you like this video, please share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe our channel Throwlight.